Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Yeah, it's looking very Christmassy behind me here. Um, what I wanted to do was talk about a few things that are on my mind. A couple things I got coming up. Uh, First thing I want to talk about is Johnstone again. Uh, they're blaming the road conditions and the passes for flat out just forgetting stuff. And I just want to mention that real quick because you guys know that I've had my issues with Johnstone Supply. And anyway, I ordered something last Thursday, and now I'm still waiting for it. And things are supposed to be a day or two out if they have to go to another branch. So somebody dropped the ball there. They're not going to admit to it, of course, but just another issue in the long saga of my distributors, Johnstone, primarily right now. So anyway, so there's that, and then I want to talk a little bit about the live stream, the giveaway of that refrigerant leak detector. So I picked somebody last night, drew him out of the hat. Simple. A crumbled up piece of paper. That's the way I said I was going to do it. Sorry, I'm expecting a package, so I was just looking. That's the way I said I was going to do it. That's the way I did it. So I picked a gentleman by the name of Eric Grafton, and I made it very clear in the live streams that you have to be a subscriber because it's subscribers only mode. I want somebody to have some skin in the game with the channel and be somebody that actually follows the channel, just not some passerby, that happens to see something for free and takes it. I want this to be somebody that's interested in the channel, is interested in HVAC, and is going to be able to put that tool to good use because that's what it's for. It's not for somebody to take and resell or what have you. So, what was I getting at with that? So that being said, so we're gonna have another live stream tonight because I advertised that it was Wednesdays and Saturdays. So let's make sure that that lighting sucks, doesn't it? Sorry about that. I advertised it as Wednesdays and Saturdays, so I want to make sure that the people that we're told that are there on the live stream. So he'll probably show up tonight. If he doesn't, I'm going to give it 30 minutes tonight for him to show up. So it starts at 6 o'clock Pacific time like normal on a Wednesday. I'm going to give him 30 minutes to show up. If he doesn't, it still gives people time. You can still get your entry in between 6 and 6:30. I'm going to draw another name out of the hat, and then they'll be the winner. But they have to be on the live stream at that time. You have to be present. That's the way this works. So I want to make that very clear. And then also another thing as it pertains to the channel and the live stream, I got some naysayers. There's always trolls, and they're like, yeah, this is a fake giveaway. You're just doing this for whatever it may be, trying to get subscribers or whatever it is. No, I'm actually trying to give the tool away. We had a really good group of people on last night, and they were very respectable, and we did the drawing. So it's all legitimate, guys. I plan on doing these giveaways until this first group of 5 tools is gone. I have 5 different tools I'm going to give away, and then after those are gone, if it goes well, I'd like to do it quarterly probably. So I like to do it every 3 months. I'd love to do it more often, but that's kind of pushing it, because I'm giving away high dollar items. It's not like I'm giving away a cheap tape measure or something. These are expensive tools. So if we can get this going and make it something that's good for everybody, I'm happy to do it probably, every 3 months or so. First of the year, April, end of summer, fall, just quarterly every 3 months. So that's what's coming up. Tomorrow I got to head out to this little small town out in the desert to take care of a couple little loose ends that I have out there. Swap a thermostat, and then I got to see why this lady's heat pump's not working. Excuse me. Friday, I'll probably just stay in town and do some stuff. And then next week, I'm down on that hacked mansion. If you haven't seen that video of the hacked mansion job, check it out. There's actually 2 different videos that show it. I went and looked at the other phase of the project. But the project I'll be doing next week is the downstairs system. It's a 5-zone ductless system. And then the upstairs, a whole other can of worms. If you watch the videos, you'll see what I'm going to be doing on that. But that's going to be down the road, probably after the first of the year. So anyway, I got lots of good stuff coming up. I enjoy doing these giveaways. See me tonight at 6 p.m. Pacific time. This video is going out at 3 p.m. Pacific time, so you'll be able to see it then. That'll give you time to plan for it if you want to get your name in the hat and win a nice refrigerant leak detector. So until then, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.